Hi, my name is Alex. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Introducing the Keymaster, your ultimate multifunctional key organizer gadget. In a world where organization and convenience are paramount, the Keymaster emerges as the perfect solution for all your key-related woes. This innovative gadget is not just a key organizer. It's a game changer that streamlines your daily life in ways you never thought possible. Say goodbye to the jingling mess of keys in your pocket or purse and embrace the future of key management with the Keymaster. Designed with precision and practicality in mind, the Keymaster is a versatile and sleek accessory that promises to revolutionize the way you carry and use your keys. Whether you're a busy professional, a frequent traveler, or simply someone seeking a more organized and efficient lifestyle, this multifunctional key organizer is here to elevate your everyday experiences. Want to earn $50 to $100 a day for free? Go to ibiz1.net to secure your free lifetime membership now. With its state-of-the-art engineering and attention to detail, the Keymaster boasts a range of impressive features that will leave you wondering how you ever managed without it. From its ability to hold and neatly arrange multiple keys to its built-in tools that offer unprecedented functionality, this gadget is a must-have for those who value both form and function. Thank you for watching.